Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you share with us why you decided to go solar?
To try to help us bring our electric bill down.
Fantastic. And were you the first in your area to go solar, or was this something that everyone was already doing?
No, we were, I think one of the first in our area to go solar. So we're kind of anxious and kind of like to see how it's working out.
Fantastic. And besides your electrical bill, what else inspired you to go solar at this point in time?
To try to help with the green initiative and try to just to see how it helps around our area.
Fantastic. I love that. And also, how did you hear about Green Home Systems?
My husband saw an ad on Facebook online, and he filled out the information, and that's how we heard about you guys.
Fantastic. Well, we are so excited to see where solar takes you, and I thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.